Hey there, Minecraft builders! Ever wanted to unlock the full potential of WorldEdit? You're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to become a WorldEdit pro. First off, what is WorldEdit? It's a powerful Minecraft mod that lets you build and edit large structures quickly and efficiently. If you're tired of placing blocks one by one, this is a game changer. Let's start with the basics. To use WorldEdit, you'll need to install it first. Check the link in the description for a quick download. Once installed, grab your wooden axe. It's now your magic wand. With it, you can select regions and perform commands. For example, /wand gives you the axe. Left-click a block to set the first position and right-click another to set the second. Boom! You've selected a region. Now onto some essential commands. /set, followed by a block type, will fill the selected region. Want to clear an area? Use /replace followed by the block you want to remove and the block you want to replace it with. Simple, right? Okay, let's kick it up a notch with advanced techniques. Need to copy and paste structures? Use /copy and /paste to duplicate your builds instantly, or try /rotate to spin them around. With these commands, the world is your canvas. Efficiency is key. Use /undo to quickly revert mistakes or /redo to bring them back. And don't forget /save to keep your progress safe. Check out these incredible builds made with WorldEdit. Pause for dramatic effect. Amazing, right? You can do it too. So there you have it. Unlock WorldEdit's full potential and transform your Minecraft world. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome Minecraft mod tutorials. And hey, share your WorldEdit creations in the comments below. I'd love to see what you build. Alright, Minecraft builders, get out there and start creating. Click the link below for mod downloads. Happy building!